Wow, look at this place. So it's a Friday afternoon and there's nobody here. It's perfect. You have the whole mountain all to yourself. So the crazy thing is, from where the bike is parked, is that we only got like 150 meters altitude to go. And it's over the space of like a kilometer or two, so it can't really be much of a long hike, to be honest. Half hour max, I reckon. So it seems to have got a bit more jungle-like now. It's pretty cool. It's nice to see some green in amidst all of this brown. So you remember I said on the bottom we have some fresh air? Well, all of that seems to have gone now. And now it's bloody humid again. I spoke to many locals yesterday about coming here. It's like, hey, have you been to Khnong Phsar, the mountain? And you know what? Nobody has ever been here. I mean, the people that I spoke to. Maybe it's the West that have a fascination with climbing mountains or something. Or maybe the locals are just too busy working. What do you think? Don't get me wrong, it is far from Phnom Penh, but, you know, sonically, it's much different from Phnom Penh. Phnom Penh is just crazy. Traffic is crazy all the time. It's loud, it's dirty. Yeah, here's like the complete opposite. The road is flattened off massively here now, and the altimeter says that we only have 50 meters to go, so yeah, looks like it's going to be pretty flat the rest of the way. I must say, I'm not disappointed. So I feel we're almost at the top now. It seems like we're coming to the edge of the mountain. And today, everything's been smooth. I can't really believe it, to be honest. Like, if anyone knows me in my adventures, they are never smooth. Something always goes wrong. Something always happens. So yeah, very grateful that nothing has gone wrong. There's always time, don't worry. What can go wrong? Let's have a think. Brainstorm. Well, the worst thing is someone could have stolen my motorbike. That would be bad. I have the key with me, so... But, so you know, they could just roll it on the mountain in neutral, I guess. The other thing that could go wrong is maybe I can't find a hotel tonight in this area. I've done a bit of scouting. It seems like this hotel's on the map, so... Yeah, and I did see some signs for guest houses on the way. My plan is to keep going forward and to see if there's guest houses nearer the trailhead of the highest mountain, which will be Khnong Phsar. So this is the top of the mountain. Looks like it's going to rain actually. The sky's not the best, but like I said, the difference from Phnom Penh is massive and it's amazing. You know, I was thinking, doing this on a motorbike, it was cool. You got to do all that cool enduro stuff on the way, and you know, the end is really nice. But I think if you had to hike up that initial part, you know, the part that I was riding the motorbike, it'd be pretty boring. Like, I think the charm of this is probably to take the old road, like the jungle road, I guess. If that still exists, who knows? You know, but these people, I'm not sure if they would even leave that road open, just because why would they take it when there's a better road? You know what I mean? They probably don't hike for pleasure like we do. So I'm going to stay up here a little while and then head back down. So I'm going to start heading back down now. And the crazy thing is, it just started raining. It's the first bit of rain I've seen in Cambodia since I arrived, in 3 weeks. But it's kind of welcome. I like it. Anyway, I'll see you at the bottom. I think I'm close to the bottom now. Maybe another 10 minutes. I think I'm going to jump straight back on the bike and head down to that little camp area down there and try and get a little drink before I move on to the next town. I was just thinking I have to go back down that little enduro track on the way back down. It's going to be tough. Let's hope the rain hasn't made things slippery. Well, the first good thing is my bike is still here. Second good thing, my shirt that I'm drying from all the sweat is also still here. It's a rough bike though, look at it, it's a bloody dog. Jesus Christ, it's horrible. I think the tank was wobbly, you know. Something was wobbling. Anyway, let's head down. So I just come here now and they give me a coconut, fish, which was really good, some beer, and I guess a Chinese Pocari sweat. Oh, it's an actual Pocari sweat. Don't know what he's doing on the roof. But these are the people on the motorbike that were in front of me. Bye! See you next time. She hasn't got a clue what I'm saying. So I had a few bits and pieces to drink. Nice coconut. And now I'm on my way back down. Oh, it was a nice hike. And the air feels so much fresher after that rain. So, again, see you at the bottom.